Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. This tutorial is for a beginner line dance called Sexy Mona Lisa. It's choreographed by Niles Polson, 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts. Goes to the song Acapulco by Jason Derulo. So here we go. Starting on your right foot with the Charleston. Step 1, kick, 2, step and point, 2 walks forward, right, left, rock forward on your right, and recover back on your left. With counts, stepping on the 1, 1, 2, 3, touch, 4, walk, 5, 6, rock, 7, recover, 8. On the and 1, you're going to jump slightly back with your right and left, left, clap, and do another one. Right, left, clap. Hips triple to the right, bump and bump, your weight is on your right, bump and bump, your weight is on your left. Counts on that, coming back on the and 1, 2, and 3, 4, hips 5 and 6, hips 7 and 8. Do it one time from the top, so those are your first 2 8s. Walking on the right for your Charleston, 7, 8, step 1, kick 2, back 3, tap 4, walk at 5, 6, rock 7, 8, back and clap, back and clap, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Going right into the third count of 8. You're standing on your left. We're going to do a side rock recover. Right, left, cross back, side, front, right, left, right. Same on the left, side rock recover. Weave it back, side, front. So your counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last count of 8, taking your right foot to the side one more time. 1, and on 2, follow your left shoulder, turn a quarter and step forward. 2. Right foot is free for a triple or shuffle forward. Step together, step. You're going to rock, recover, left, right, step left, tap your right. That's your new wall. Let's go over that one with counts. You're going to step to the side. You're going to go 1, quarter turn, 2, triple 3, and 4, rocking 5, 6, step back, touch. The right foot is free to start your Charleston at your new wall. Okay, let's go back to the beginning, put it all together, and we'll do it twice at 2 different walls. Here we go, right leg, 6, 7, 8, and Charleston, 2, 3, 4, walking 5, 6, rock, 7, take it back, and 1, clap, 2, and 3, 4, triple side, and 6, 7, side rock, goes 1, 2, weave, 3, and 4, 5, weave again, 7, rock and turn, go 1, turn 2, shuffle 3, and 4, rock 5, 6, let's start again with the Charleston, 2, 3, 4, walk and 5, 6, rock and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, bump at 5, 6, and 7, side rock, goes weave under 2, 3, and 4, go 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, quarter turn, triple step, left, right, left, touch, step, kick, and you do it again. And as I said, there's no tags or restarts because it's a beginner level dance. Fun little song. So let's try it with a little bit of music. And remember, if you need to slow this down, all you need to do on YouTube is go to that little wheel for your settings, hit it, and you can adjust the speed and watch it a little bit slower if you need to. Okay? Here we go. On 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, Charleston, 1, 2, walk it out, rock, recover, jump it back, jump hips, side rock, weave, same left, quarter turn to your left, triple, rock and tuck, start again, walk it out, jump back, bumps, side rock, weave, quarter turn down, go left, right, step, tap, that side, And as soon as we did that last part, what I want you to do, you can do your bumps, you can turn it and go right into this back to where you started. In other words, you don't go finish the dance, you do your bumps and bumps here, and that'll bring you back to your front wall. It's a short dance, so it's right after this wall. So that's it. That is how we do a little sexy Mona Lisa. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Please subscribe if you have not done so. Feel free to share this video and to comment on the video. I always appreciate that. Just let people know that the channel is there. And as always, I appreciate you watching. I teach in the Los Angeles area, and I'll see you on the dance floor. Thanks for tuning in.